start with some breaking news coming in on the Tirupati Laddu Rao. Now, the controversy is exploding, and now BJP President and Health Minister JP Nadda has spoken on the controversy. In fact, he has spoken to Chandrababu Naidu. As per his statement, he has said, and I quote him here, "As soon as I got aware of this news, I spoke to Chandrababu Naidu. I sought a detailed report from him and also from the state regulator. We will examine the report and will take appropriate action against whosoever is responsible." So that is the big update we have right now. Viewers, remember there is the allegation that there is animal fat, beef tallow, that is used in in the prasadam. It's also about the palm oil that is used in the prasadam. So there is allegation of adulteration in prasadam. And my colleague Harsha, in fact, is joining us live on the broadcast for more. Harsha, now JP Nadda has taken cognizance of the matter, and he's also spoken to Chandrababu Naidu after he made those scathing allegations. Tell us more details of this report that has been sought now.
So, Rakshita, it's a very serious matter and of utter grave seriousness that the ghee is adulterated and the animal fat like beef and pig fat has found in the Laddu Prasadam, which is served to all the devotees in the temple. And Union Health Minister JP Nadda, while addressing a press conference, he clearly stated that he spoke to Chandrababu Naidu yesterday only when the news came out through multiple reports, where Chandrababu Naidu stated that there is evidence, there is an NTDB report which proves that there is animal fat, and also Union Health Minister has sought detailed reporter from the state regulator, and also appropriate action will be taken if the evidence and the lab test reports are found correct, and if there is animal fat in the Laddu Prasadam. To tell you, Rakshita, that the Union Health Ministry and the FSSAI both are responsible, both will be taking appropriate action, because earlier in the morning, before JP Nadda, Prahlad Joshi, who takes over the ministry, also stated that also FSSAI will look into this matter. The state regulator will have to submit all the report of the lab test, the NDDB report, and exactly what has been found in the Laddu Prasadam. Also, there's a massive controversy over here because back-to-back leaders are lashing out at the Jagan Mohan Reddy government that how during his tenure in the entire Tirupati Tirumala Devastham, Laddu was being supplied. There was the particular vendor from Chennai who was given the tender. He was doing, and it is an oversight which cannot be ignored and neglected, because the sentiments of crores of devotees is right now at stake. In fact, several leaders have gone by saying that there should be a CBI inquiry also in this matter. But right now, the breaking update is that the Union Health Minister JP Nadda has taken cognizance of the matter. He has spoken to Chandrababu Naidu in detail about this entire matter. He also spoke regarding how the information first came from the executive director of the Tirupati Tirumala Devastham. So we have to wait and watch exactly when the state regulator will give the entire report to the health ministry, and finally any action when is to be taken. Back to you.
Absolutely. In fact, there are a lot of protests also, in fact, that are happening. Even Hindus, top priests have also started to speak out and in demanding investigation. The VHP has also demanded a CBI inquiry in this case. Thank you so much, Harsha, for joining us with that update coming in from the national capital. Now, viewers, in some more breaking developments, what we're getting is that former Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam chairperson Bhuman Karunakar Reddy, who held the position during the YSR regime in 2023, has said that he will be challenging Chandrababu Naidu in the highest court of law. In fact, he said that very importantly has emphasized that the executive director had only flagged about the adulteration in the ghee, that it had that there's no animal fat claims. There were no animal fat that was talked about. There was no report on animal fat being used as one of the ingredients in the prasadam. Let's take a listen in, viewers, to what he had to say. In fact, my colleague Harsha has spoken exclusively with the former TTD the chairperson Karunakar Reddy on this row. Take a listen in.
I just wanted to understand, like, your opinion. You were the TDT chairman during YSR Congress. So these allegations are grave of the usage of animal fat, the beef, the beef traces, the fish oil in the prasadam of Tirumala.
Yeah, Chandrababu Naidu made a blunder mistake. He used even Lord Venkateshwara for his political benefits. that nobody can use fish oil or animal fat in Annaprasadams and laddu making. Just for his political vendetta, he is alligating YSRCP.
But there are so many allegations of malfunction. 2 months ago, executive director also flagged the concerns of
The executive officer confirmed that some edible oil has mixed in that ghee, but not animal fat. Already before that also, near about 18 tankers were rejected in our tenure, even at previous Chandrababu Naidu period also. When some edible oil means generally vanaspati, they may the contractor mixes it. That every time they that lab technicians will caught and rejected all.
But the lab report of NDDB, which has come out yesterday, shows the adulteration and the foundings of the fish oil and beef.
That's why we are demanding either CBI inquiry or Supreme Court judge inquiry, because Chandrababu can manage even NDDB reports also and whatever may be. That's why the actuals has to come out. We are demanding CBI inquiry or sitting judge inquiry.
But it is also being said that the milk tender, like vendor, to whom the tender was allotted, there's also a political controversy to the Karnataka milk vendor, whom the tender was given during the YSR regime.
That I cannot give answer. Why? Because chairman doesn't know all these things, because only administrative officers has to give clarifications, because chairman's position is just to when the meeting conducts the policy making only.
But chairman would be aware of the adulteration, the ghee which was being used for this small profit margin in the ghee supply. Was it oversight? Was it neglected by in your regime? Because after YV Subba Reddy, you were there.
It was no. That is a totally misallegation. We are ready to face whatever the decision government takes for inquiry. Just for his political interest, he is doing like this, Chandrababu Naidu.
But the entire Hindu community is in furor. They are upset because millions of people come to Tirupati, they take prasadam.
That's why we are also demanding for CBI inquiry, ma'am. That's why we are demanding.
Karnakar,
we have not done any mistake. Our government has not done any mistake, and also we have done several programs to propagate Hindu Dharma and Sanatana Dharma. Only Chandrababu Naidu has ruined this Sanatana Dharma and Hindu culture when he was previous CM and also president. Also, he is using even Lord Venkateshwara for his political.
But Mr. Reddy, the allegations are also the grave allegations which states that the vendor who was given the tender at that time is not even a Hindu. He's from other caste. He's not even Hindu. He's from other religion.
Chandrababu is telling like that. I don't know the details. You please ask your executive officer, please.
No, not executive officer. After YV Subba Reddy, you were the chairman, and the concerns are that from past 10 years it was being done.
Please ask the chairman. Thank you.
Mr. Reddy, one last question to you. I just want to understand one thing. How YSR Congress will take it front, because it is being said that the adulteration was not something which has come recent.
We are challenging. We have not done any mistake. We are challenging the government. You please inquire, and we will inquiry.
What about the malfunctions in the TDP board as well? The number of people during Jagan's Reddy were increased. It was said that only few members in the board were required, but 51 members in the board was kept during your regime as well.
The previous year. Okay.
And now viewers, the reactions are coming in on this story. Vishwa Hindu Parishad, the VHP, has demanded a CBI inquiry in this case and saying that this jeopardizes the sentiments of the devotees, that this raises concerns over the sanctity of traditions and beliefs. Take a listen in.
प्रसाद में कोलेस्ट्रॉल किया था ना, एनिमल कोलेस्ट्रॉल यूज किया था ना, उससे ऊपर वो एविडेंस से आधार के लेकर पूरा उनको सजा देना है। और गवर्नमेंट से मैं एक ही डिमांड कर रहा है, ये पूरा सीबीआई इंक्वायरी कर से जो दोषी है उनका जरूर सजा देना है। अभी भी आने के समय में हिंदू का पवित्रता, भगवान का पवित्रता कंटिन्यू करना है, जो मिस्टेक करना है वो सजा देना है।
In fact, viewers, the TDP has called for a fair probe into this case. So multiple reactions from the political spectrum also coming in. This is, of course, unfolding as a political face-off. Take a listen into the reactions.
I was stunned actually looking at the news that is coming out. There's no parties, there's no political issues, there's no, when it comes to Tirupati Tirumala Devasthanam, everyone across the parties, even sometimes across the religions also, other religion people also visit, not just Hindus but other religion people also visit Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. So it is across the party lines. There's no political this thing in that. And I was stunned looking at the news articles that are coming up on TV. And also there was a report that has been shared. And I wish that report is wrong. I hope and I wish the report is wrong, because I feel TTD should not be faced with such an incident or such a situation. So, but if something otherwise is there in that report, if the report is true, I'll be one of the most disappointed people.
Now, viewers, the controversy, of course, continues to escalate, and the Hindu monks have also started to speak out. In fact, the chief priest of Ram Janmabhoomi Temple has also spoken out and called for the strictest action. Take a listen in.
देखिए, जो भी घटनाएं हुई हैं, जैसा जांच हुआ है उससे स्पष्ट हो गया है कि ना इसमें जो है यह चर्बी मिलाया गया है और मछली का तेल मिलाया गया है, और वहाँ की जो सरकार थी उसको संज्ञान में है कि नहीं है, और कब से मिलाया जा रहा है इसका भी पता नहीं है, क्योंकि अभी वर्तमान समय में जब चर्चा हुई है तो ये जो खोज हुआ है तो इसकी पुष्टि हो गई है। तो ऐसी स्थिति में ये हमारे मैं समझता हूँ अंतर्राष्ट्रीय षड्यंत्र है। हमारे जो सनातन धर्म है इस पर कुठाराघात है, और इसकी बड़ी गंभीरता से सरकार को लेना चाहिए, और उसके बाद इसको जांच कराने के लिए जो दोषी जो है उसको दंड दिया जाए। साथ ही साथ ऐसी घटना अब न हो, क्योंकि बाला तिरुपति जी के मंदिर का जो आस्था है लोगों में बहुत अधिक है। वर्तमान समय में जहाँ भी देखा जाए लोग बाला तिरुपति जी जाते हैं और वहाँ से प्रसाद के रूप में लड्डू लेते हैं और लड्डू दिया जाता है उनको, और इस तरह से जो घटना हुई है वो बहुत ही दुखदाई है। ये आस्था के ऊपर आघात है, और मैं समझता हूँ सरकार इस पर संज्ञान ले और इसका खोज करके और इसका अच्छी प्रकार से अन्वेषण करे, देखें कि आखिर ये षड्यंत्र कहाँ से है। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय षड्यंत्र है कि यहाँ के हमारे देश के ही लोग हैं, हमारे सनातन धर्म के ऊपर जो कुठाराघात हुआ है वो बहुत ही कष्टदायी है, और इसका जांच बहुत ज़रूरी है, और जिन लोगों ने ऐसी षड्यंत्र किया है उनको कठोर से कठोर
ऑडिट्स हैं, इस तरीके की कोई एक्शन टेकिंग प्लान आप ले रहे हैं क्या?
आज ही मैंने चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी से, जैसे ये असल में ये खबर डिजिटल मीडिया के माध्यम से आई है और कुछ जगह पर रिपोर्ट हुआ है, तो जैसे ही ये खबर मुझे मिली मैंने चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी से बात की, उनसे मैंने डिटेल उसकी ली है, और मैंने उनको कहा है कि आप तुरंत एक जो आपके पास अवेलेबल रिपोर्ट है वो रिपोर्ट आप मुझे भेज दें। उस रिपोर्ट को मैं एग्जामिन भी करूंगा, स्टेट रेगुलेटर से भी बातचीत करूंगा, उनका क्या कहना है उसको भी जानूंगा। उस जो रिपोर्ट है जिस सोर्स से आई है उस रिपोर्ट को पूरी तहकीकात करके उसके सारे पहलुओं को ध्यान में रख करके सूटेबल एक्शन विल बी टेकन अकॉर्डिंगली। जो भी कानून के दायरे में और जो भी हमारी नियमावली फूड सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड्स अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया के तहत आती है उसके तहत हम इस पर कार्रवाई करेंगे। लेकिन अभी हमने रिपोर्ट मंगवाई है। आई विल एग्जामिन इट। माई FSSI इज गोइंग टू एग्जामिन, दे आर गोइंग टू गिव रिपोर्ट एंड देन वी विल टेक एक्शन।
277.
All right, viewers. So that was JP Nadda, the Union Minister for Health and BJP President, who was talking about his conversation with Chandrababu Naidu on the claims. He's also said that he has spoken to the state regulator that it will be also put into action as far as the adulteration in the Tirupati temple laddu is concerned. And now we are getting more reactions coming in, viewers. Take a listen in.
Baseless allegations, shocking allegations, like saying that in TTD, while YCP is in governance, they have damaged the decorum and sanctity of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, and they have gone to the extent of criticizing and commenting wild comments like while preparing Swamwari prasadams and laddus, animal fat being used. This is ridiculous. Entire, not only country, entire world, all Hindu devotees are hurt because of these comments. You should take back. These are all baseless and wild comments. Baseless. If he has any proof, let him come and prove. Otherwise, I am ready to go and take oath before Lord Venkateshwara. During that 5 years of our governance, nothing has happened like what he has commented.
कोई भी सरकार हो, वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ मिली रही है और आज तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी और वहाँ की सरकार दोनों एक साथ खड़ी है। भारतीय जनता
and even internationally. Mr. Chandrababu Naidu presented a report that said a sample was taken on the day that he assumed power, and this sample reported that there is beef tallow and fish oil also in the ingredients that were used to make the laddus, the prasadam, in the Tirupati. We do not understand why Mr. Chandrababu Naidu made this so casual. Therefore, the Congress party is taken upon itself very seriously. We are demanding a CBI inquiry into this issue because it is not a small issue. It does not pertain to a small group of people, but to crores of people. We have also written to the Home Minister of India, Mr. Amit Shah, demanding for a CBI inquiry into this matter.
Okay,
thank you.
One more question, madam. You have been visited the ground level report at flood affected areas in Vijayawada. Hence, Telangana is going with the Hydra full-fledged activity. Do you want to AP government to demand for the same Hydra?
The whole Bodameru issue was caused because of the encroachments. Congress party, while in power, Mr. Rajshekhar Reddy, while he was the chief minister of the then United Andhra Pradesh, made an effort called the Operation Kolleru, which involved removing of these encroachments. But since then, after Mr. Rajshekhar Reddy, so many years have passed, and the then government Chandrababu Naidu or the next government Jagan Mohan Reddy did not do anything to remove these encroachments. In the 19 acres that is there between Vijayawada and the Kolleru where the water is supposed to flow, 90% has been encroached. So yes, If Mr. Revanth Reddy, the Chief Minister of Telangana, is doing a hydra in Telangana, we need something called the Vidra probably, but these encroachments have to be dealt with.
Reducing liquor price with 50%, the drunkards will be increased and the consumption of alcohol will.
All right, that was Vaya Sharmila, who is the sister of Jagan Mohan Reddy, and of course she's a Congress leader now. She was also demanding a CBI inquiry with the lab report test the lab test report in her hand, and taking on Chandrababu Naidu also on it. And now let's take a listen to the various reactions that have come in. In fact, my colleague Satya Vijay has filed this report from Bhopal, where there are protests happening against Jagan Mohan Reddy over this row.
आंध्र प्रदेश के तिरुपति बालाजी मंदिर के प्रसाद में जानवरों की चर्बी मिलाने के मामले को लेकर अब हिंदू संगठन विरोध में उतर आए हैं। देखिए, भोपाल, राजधानी भोपाल में यहाँ पर हिंदू संगठन के लोग जगन मोहन रेड्डी के खिलाफ विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। यहाँ पर देखिए, साफ तौर पर कहा जा रहा है कि देवी देवताओं का अपमान और हिंदुओं की आस्था का अपमान नहीं सहा जाएगा, और इसी को लेकर यहाँ पर संस्कृति बचाओ मंच जो है, जगन मोहन रेड्डी का पुतला भी यहाँ पर जलाने वाले। इनका साफ तौर पर कहना है कि जिस
शिरजा दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी महिलाओं का डेयरी का एक फार्मर प्रोड्यूसर कंपनी है। उससे घी नहीं लेती थी ये सरकार, जो पीछे वाली सरकार थी, और वो मैंने सुना कि जो घी थी वो 320 रुपये में उससे घी लेता था। अब जांच का सीबीआई के जांच के दायरे में आना चाहिए कि कितने रुपये का घी लिया गया, कौन चर्बी का घी क्यों लिया गया। और दूसरा प्रश्न, ये हिंदू धर्म के साथ घोर अत्याचार है। केवल इसे मिलावटी का सजा नहीं मिले, बल्कि इसे इस फांसी की सजा मिले, हैंगिंग हो जिसने भी किया है, क्योंकि ये जिस सरकार ने की थी वो एक खास कम्युनिटी से बिलोंग करता है।
प्रियंका गांधी इंडिया टुडे के लिए, इंडिया टुडे के लिए
BJP doubling down the attack on Jagan Mohan Reddy, calling for the strictest action, calling for investigation, and also talking about people who are allegedly involved in this entire row, in this alleged adulteration of the Tirupati laddus. Right now, viewers, we are getting more and more updates on that story. Many reactions that have been coming in. In fact, Y.V. Subba Reddy, who is the ex-chairperson of the Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, has reacted to this, saying that he will fight Chandrababu Naidu in the court, that he has in fact quashed all these allegations made by Naidu. Take a listen into Y.V. Subba Reddy.